everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So we're going to make the flowers here using paper. In place of this, you can also take plain paper. Let's make the petals first. So fold the paper from the sides. Now we are going to make 8 such flower petals and paste all of them on the top of the circle using glue and give it a shape of flower. We're also adding a mini flower at the center. Let's make the stick now. So roll the paper. Similarly, we're also making the frill. Make multiple cut and paste it on the top of the stick and it's ready. So we are going to take this blue color of paper. Using double-sided tape, we are going to paste it from one side and put your gift inside. Paste it from other side as well. Paste stickers and look, it's ready. We are going to fold this pink color of paper, make 4 folds. Now open it and again fold it from its opposite side. Now we are going to open it again. Here we are going to make the heart shape. So we are going to flip it and again pull the paper downward and tuck it inside like this. Now we are going to make the heart shape. So pull the paper downward and tuck it inside like this. Now we are going to fold it from the bottom as well and make the ring shape. And look, it is ready. You can make more such colorful heart shaped ring. Look at this beautiful box container. So let's make it at home. We're going to take this paper. First, we're going to make the case for the boxes. So fold this printed paper, fold it from the corners and make this large rectangular box. Now keep it aside. Let's make the boxes. So take a plain paper and fold it like this from the diagonals and then these triangular folds. Now we are going to open it and make the box. And look, it's ready. Here we're going to make 5 such boxes and put it inside and it's done. Here we're going to take this paper, fold it into half, then fold it from the sides and make the triangular shape, flip it and again fold it. Look how we're doing here. Now move the top portion. After this, we're going to cut a small piece, fold it into half again and hold it. It's done. Look at this beautiful craft. Let's make it at home and it is a container. You can put small items inside. So we're going to fold this printed paper and make the square shape. Now tuck the paper inside. After this, we're going to press it and make this cone shape. Now we're going to take another piece of paper. We're going to make the heart shape like this. Tuck it inside like we're doing here. Fold it from the corners like this and look, it's ready. We are going to make this beautiful boxes using paper. You can keep your small stuffs inside. So take this printed paper, fold it into half, then fold it from the sides, flip it and again fold it like this. Tuck the paper inside like we're doing here and repeat the same process from other side. Gently open it and your box is ready. Here we are going to take the printed paper and fold it from the corners. Now we are going to paste it using glue and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.